Hello guys and welcome to this video. Today's video will be about Freshdesk and its settings. So Freshdesk is a powerful and intuitive customer support platform that is designed to help businesses to manage their customer interactions efficiently. One of the key of strengths of Freshdesk is its robust settings and customization option, which allow businesses to tailor the platform to their specific needs. In this video, I will highlight some of the key settings and features of Freshdesk that makes it a top choice for customer support. The first is the ticket management settings. Freshdesk offers a range of ticket management settings that allow businesses to customize how they handle customers' requests. For example, businesses can set up automation rules to automatically assign tickets for specific agent or team based on their type of priority. Additionally, businesses can set up service level agreements to ensure that tickets are solved within a specific time frame. Here you can export. Here we have the tickets priority. Is it open, pending, solved? You can here add agents like me, groups, what group. Here we have created, closed, solved. This can be specified and then applied. You can customize your field as an admin. Customizing field and tags. Freshdesk allows businesses to create customized field and tags that can be used to collect additional information from customers and organize tickets more efficiently. This can be especially useful for businesses that have specific informations need or wants to categorize tickets in particular way. So here you can fill up the client information, full name, the title of the ticket. Here you can also integrate with companies, company name, descriptions, and others. Agent role and permission. Freshdesk also offers a range of agent roles and permission that allows businesses to control who can access certain features and settings within the program. This can be useful for businesses that want to restrict access to sensitive information or feature for their workers. Here, access to contact. You can restrict your teammates or people who work in you. You can edit them. Those are contacts. You can choose anything about them and modify it. So the next settings is integration and apps. Freshdesk offers a wide range of integration and apps that allow businesses to extend the function of platforms. For example, businesses can integrate with platform with their CRM, customer relationship management, software, or use apps to add additional features like chatbot or survey. The next settings that is important is the reporting and analytics. Freshdesk offers robust reporting and analytics features that allow businesses to track their performance and identify areas of improvement. Business can track metrics like ticket volume, response time, and customer satisfaction rating to gain insight to their customer support operation. So let's wait and we'll show you how this analytic things work. So here it's a drag and drop feature. Here you can drag text and put it here. Then you can click on it, and here choose the title, font, we have the size, the style, the alignment, and click enter. Then everything will be there. Here we have the size, the display mode, you can show grid, and you can add widgets like charts. Here you can add something, and here we have the metric, tickets, no time, reopened, maximum. You can add another and click on apply. Here and you can put numbers and others. You can increase the range, you can set up the size. Next we have the account settings, the most important thing. Here you can add a photo, picture, you can adjust the time zone, the language, you can add a signature. Like say here, make it big and underline it. You can answer placeholders, help desk and others. Here we have view APA key, index and send, focus mode. We have the full name, email address, phone number, mobile. You can save changes from here. We have password and email. So to change your profile info or password, you will be redirected to Freshworks website account page. So let's say Freshdesk is only the one of Freshworks route. So overall, Freshdesk settings and customization options makes it a powerful tool for businesses of all sizes and industries. Whether you are looking to automate your ticket management process, customize your field and tags, or integrate with other business software, Freshdesk offers the flexibility and functionality you need to provide exceptional customer support. So here we have the Freshwork and our settings. And that's it for today. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you on another video.